Okunukwe pooriisi muri Kabale yasharaho abahereza ubushaho abarya hakutendekwa omu bibashomerire narishibete ba intani. Aba bataho muhoro ya Christ the King aho baba batebekanise kugamba hona n'abanyamakuru bit pooriisi yaroka kubaremesa enteekateeka yabo.
Where you are supposed to be.
This is not supposed to be.
You move out and go where you are supposed to be.
Akanyujuka yashaba ngo haba harimo abebembezi babo bashitame nawe abahabure uko bashemerire kutwaza ebintu bitutine wayehayo.
Who are organizers? Who are the leaders?
Yeah, some people.
No, I want to see the people who are organizing.
We called them when you told us. We called them to come and talk to you.
Bamwe habayisharinga abutwagambaho nabo pooriisi takabaremise batoreka obutashemerirwa bagumize ngo government ebaremise kukora kurungi omurimo gubashomerire.
We are humans, we need to pay rent, we need to feed, and that is those allowances are the ones that facilitate us during our internship period.
We are very unhappy with the police action and towards our peaceful demonstration because it's accepted by the law. The press conference is accepted by the law, and we have already been stopped even before we start off completely. We are unhappy, we are displeased, and we are disappointed.
We are here to remind the government of the presidential directive of 2021 to pay interns half their salary and to deploy them. The country is bleeding. Muzeyi, let them respect your directive. Fetuli bazzukulu, we are not activists, we are only demanding for what you promised us.
Abashaho abahereze kushoma bakaba bashemerire gukora imirimo yabo bitakashikire kibanza cyo kwaka n'umwaka w'2023 bite barha ya Dr. Henry Mwebesa or Director General of Health Services akahandikira amarwaro ngo gabegarinzire ko gukoresa abantu aba okusyo baraheze kushobora inshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe. Amakuru agagasha kwa Job namanya apuri.